For best experience, use your headphones.
Next important concept is median of group data. Definitely you can expect it for 3 marks. Okay, one compulsory question for 3 marks. Learning this is very important. First we'll try to see one or two definitions of 8th and 9th standard. Suppose if number of observations arranged in ascending order, if n is odd, then the median is n plus 1 by 2 score. So if number of observation, that is given scores, if you count that, if it is an odd number, then if you want median, you can use this formula, n plus 1 by 2 score will become the median. Median means the centermost score of the given data. This is when only scores are given. We will count the scores. If the number of scores is odd number, then to find the midpoint you can use this formula. Then if the number of scores n is even, then the median will be average of n by 2th score and n by 2 plus 1th observation. That means n by 2th score plus n by 2 plus 1th score divided by 2 gives you the median of the given data if the number of scores are even. When you count the number of scores, if it is an even number, then if you use this formula, we will be getting the median. These two we have already learnt in 8th and 9th. Now in 10th standard, median of group data when they give you class interval and frequency. So when they give you class interval and frequency, we use formula method. We use formula method to find the median of the grouped data. So a question related to is compulsory for your final exam, and as I told you already in the beginning, it is for 3 marks question. It is 3 marker question. Now what is the formula? What is the formula? So the median formula is here. The median formula is here. Median formula. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Now we'll see one by one. What is L? Lower limit of median class interval. What is N? Number of observations. That means sum of frequency column. What is CF? CF means cumulative frequency of class preceding the median class. So cumulative frequency of class preceding means before the median class, behind the median class. F, frequency of the median class. What is H? Size of the class interval. H is size of the class interval. So having this formula, using median formula, we will find the median. I have taken first sum. Find the median for the following frequency distribution. Class interval is given 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55, 55 to 60, 60 to 65, 65 to 70, 70 to 75. Frequency is given 2, 3, 8, 6, 6, 3, 2. So this you have to remember first. What is that? You have to record all the numbers in class interval one below the other in the column called class interval. 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55, 55 to 60, 60 to 65, 65 to 70, 70 to 75. Now frequency 2, 3, 8, 6, 6, 3, 2. So the very first calculation is you have to add frequency column. You have to add frequency column. 2, 5, 13, 19, 25, 25 plus 5, 30. So n is 30. Next we have to find cumulative frequency column. What is this cumulative frequency column? Adding cumulative frequency column, adding the frequency. So how to find? Only in first sum I am showing you the addition. Second sum only this part is enough. So what is the first frequency? Write as it is 2. Next for this 2 add 3, it will become 5. For 5 you add 8, it will become 13. For 13 you add 6, it will become 19. For 19 you add 6, it will become 25. For 25 you add this 3, it will become 28. For 28 you add 2, it will become 30. You can notice the end score will be always same score as n. So your cumulative frequency column is ready. Once your cumulative frequency column is ready, you have to remember the formula and collect all the informations of the formula. First we'll start from L. What is L? Before L, you have to always, okay, L afterwards. First you have to always start from n by 2. Okay. What is n? 30. 30 by 2, how much? 15. You have to search 15 in cumulative frequency column. Definitely 15 is not available. Which is the nearest score to 15? Which is the successive score to 15? Or the next greater value to 15 in cumulative frequency, that is 19. So mark this column. So whatever the information you want related to the formula, you will be getting from here only. Okay. So now you need one by one you have to collect. Now you need L. Next you need F. Next you need cumulative frequency. Next you need H. All these things you have to collect. Already n by 2 you have collected. What is L? Lower limit of the median class interval. So what is the lower limit of the median class interval? 55. It is here. So 55. What is frequency? Original frequency is here. In the same row you have to collect all the information. 6. Cumulative frequency, as I told you, it is preceding number. Cumulative frequency is the preceding frequency of the modal class interval. So this is modal class interval row. Preceding to this is 13. This is CF. This is CF. What is CF? CF is 13. You have to remember. Then what is the size of the class interval? 60 minus 55. 5 is the size of the class interval. Once you collect the information, next what you should do? You should write the formula and substitute. What is the formula for median? Just now I have explained. Median is equal to L plus, we know that, n by 2 minus cumulative frequency divided by the frequency of the median class multiplied by the size of the class interval. Now substitute the values from here. So median is equal to, what is L? 55 plus, open the bracket. What is n by 2? N by 2 is calculated already, 15 minus, what is CF? CF is 13 by, what is F? F is 6, close the bracket, into, what is H? 5 is H. Now normal simplification. Median is equal to 55 plus, open the bracket, 15 minus 13 is 2 by 6, close the bracket, into 5. You can simplify this. 2 1s are 2 3s are. So median is equal to 55 plus 5 1s are 5 by 3, divide 5 by 3. 3 1s are 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. Take a decimal point, you will get 0. 3 6s are 18. Again to it, continue. So median is equal to 55 plus 1.6. So you got the answer. Median is equal to 55 plus 1 is 56.6. What is the median of the given frequency distribution table? 56.6. Second question, find the median of the following distribution. What is the distribution given to us? Class interval. 118 to 126, 127 to 135, 136 to 144, 145 to 153, 154 to 162, 163 to 171, 170 to 180. What is frequency given to us? 3, 5, 9, 12, 5, 4, 2. So now we know that class interval column you will be recording here, frequency column will be recorded here. First you have to add the frequency column. 3, 8, 8 plus 9, 17, 19, 24, 28, 30, 0. Then 3 carry, 3 plus 1, 4. So n is 40. Next what you should find? Cumulative frequency. First reading you will be writing as it is. For 3 you will add 5. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 9, 17. 17 plus 12. 17 plus 12 is 29. 29 plus 5 is 34. 34 plus 4, 38. 38 plus 2, 40. So cumulative frequency column is also ready. Now informations you have to collect. For that you have to start from n by 2. What you should do? You should start from n by 2. What is n? 40 by 2. 2 ones are 2 20s are. Where is 20 in the cumulative frequency? 20 is not available. The next greater number to 20 is 29. So all our information will be gathered in this row, in the 29th row. Okay. So now first we will collect L. What is L? The lower limit of the median class interval. The lower limit of the median class interval. But you should notice here, the lower limit is 145. The upper limit of the previous class interval is 144. So this is continuous. It is called as inclusive type. When you have like this, the upper limit of the previous class interval and the lower limit of the median class interval, you can notice it is continuous numbers, 144, 145. So therefore, you have to collect the midpoint between 144 and 145. What is the midpoint? 144.5. So L is equal to 144.5. You have to collect the midpoint of 144 and 145. It is nothing but 144.5. Next, what is F? F is 12. F is 12. Cumulative frequency. I told you it is preceding to the modal class interval. What is that? 17. Cumulative frequency is 17. Size of the class interval. You should count from 145. 145. You should count from 145 like this. 145, 146, 147, 148, 149, 150, 151, 152, 153. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is H? H is 9. What is H? H is 9. So when you have like this continuous number in the previous upper limit and in the median class interval lower limit, if it is continuous number 145 to 153, you have to count. That will become the size of the class interval. If these upper limit and lower limit is same, simply if you subtract, then you get the size of the class interval. This point to be noted in your mind properly. Now we are moving towards the calculation. First you have to write the formula. Median is equal to L plus, formula will not change, n by 2 minus cumulative frequency divided by the original frequency into H. Now substitute 1 by 1. Median is equal to, what is L? 144.5. 144.5 plus, what is n by 2? N by 2 is already calculated, 20. Minus what is CF? CF is 17. What is F? F is 12. Into what is H? H is 9. Okay. Now simplification. Median is equal to 144.5 plus 20. 20 minus 17 is 3. 3 by 12 into 9. Now definitely you can simplify. 3 ones are 3 fours are. So median is equal to 144.5 plus 9 ones are 9 by 4. So divide 9 by 4. So division I am showing here. 4 twos are 8. 1 remainder, take a point, 0. 4 twos are 8. 2 remainder, it will become 20. 4 fives are 20. So 2.25. So median is equal to 144.5 plus, just now you have divided, 2.25. So median is equal to 144.5. Here how much you have? 2.25. So 5, 7, 6, 4, 1. 146.75. This is the median of the given class interval. Find the median for the following distribution. What is the distribution? Class interval is given. 1500 to 2000, 2000 to 2500, 2500 to 3000, 3000 to 3500, 3500 to 4000, 4000 to 4500, 4500 to 5000. Next, what is given? Frequency 14, 56, 60, 86, 74, 62, 48. As usual, first we have to add frequency. 4, 10, 16, 20, 22, 22 plus 8, 30. 4, 9, 15, 23, 30, 36, 36 plus 4, 40. So n is 400. Next, what you should find? Cumulative frequency. First, as it is 14. Next, 14 plus 56. 14 plus 56 gives you 70. Next, 70 plus 60 gives you 130. 130 plus 86 gives you 216. 216 plus 74 gives you 290. 290 plus 62 gives you 352. 352 plus 48 gives you 400. So you can notice. So our addition is proper. Next, as usual, from where you should start? From n by 2 you should start. What is n? 400 by 2. So you are getting 200. Where is 200? 200 is not present. But 216, the immediate next number is 216. So everything we have to collect from this row. As usual. So first we will collect L. You can notice here 3000. Upper limit and lower limit is same. So no need of taking midpoint. Straight away 3000 you can select for L. That is the lower limit. Next, F. F is here 86. Next, CF. CF is preceding. So this is 130. CF is equal to 130. Next, H. 3000 to 3500. H is 500. The size of class interval is 500. Now, the next step is median formula. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Median. Substitute the values. L, how much? 3000. Plus, open the bracket. What is n by 2? Already you have got here 200. Minus, what is CF? It is here 130. What is F? F is here 86. Into, what is H? H is here 500. Now, simplification from here onwards. Median is equal to 3000 plus 200 minus 130. 200 minus 130. How much? You will get 70. 70. Okay? By 86 into 500. So if anything is possible to simplify, you can simplify. I think 2 ones are tables you can use. Otherwise, you divide this and multiply by 500. From here onwards, it is all left to you. So here 70 by 86 I have. So I'll use a rough paper to calculate. I'll calculate here. Or I'll use this as working column. Okay, 70 by 86. 70 by 86. 2 4s are 2 3s are 2 3s are 2 5s are. Okay, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are, this is 43, this is 35. So really impossible to divide this. So therefore what I can do, because it is impossible, so I have to divide like this only. 0 point. It will become 350. Okay, this is becoming 350. Yes. So now 43 8s are 8 3s are 24, 2 carry, 8 4s are 32 plus 2 34. 10 minus 4 is 6, 4 minus 4 is 0 0. So because of this decimal point you can take 1 0. 43 ones are 43. It will continue. So we are satisfied with one decimal division. So median is equal to 3000 plus 0.81. This will become 35. This is 43. When you divide 35 by 43, you will get 0.81 into 500. So median is equal to 3000 plus you multiply 0.81 into 500. 5 ones are 5, 5 eights are 40, 2 zeros. After 2 digits you should keep a point. So this will become 405. So median is equal to 3405. Median is equal to 3405 is the answer.